Because they can't listen to shit.
No, we're fine.
Hi.
The fuck?
It's starting to rain, Mr. Murs.
I know shit.
Jack, come here. Yeah.
There's some water
Start a
falling.
hangman game.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, let's go.
Winner gets extra chips.
Yes, 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 yes. Oh, we're down. Let's get it.
It has to be appropriate.
Ain't no word.
Winner gets extra chips.
Let's go. All right, come on.
Alright, I'm trying to think. So,
He's writing it what the word is. Sirens? I don't care. I'm gonna play hangman.
Devin's not here. Let me get this on video. We're all gonna die today.
I want to show my kids this, bro. This is lit.
Recording us all around the die.
Oh gosh, he's gonna die. He's going first. He's gonna fly out the window.
Who votes that I should be the tornado fire? We got the deal.
Where's
You
it?
just sit your ass. Get away from that exit.
Where's it?
the last place I want to be.
I mean, I want to cuddle Max when I was with you.
I don't know where my other chips went.
Last place I want to be. Yeah, I'd rather be at home.
What do you think about the situation?
In the basement.
I think you should leave me alone.
What do you think about the situation?
I don't care. I hope I die.
So how's the situation?
It's pretty fun.
Good.
If we actually die, it'd be funny as hell to see that.
Bro, yeah. We'd be up in the sky. Oh, yeah. A giant piece of wood just spears your fucking head.
Cameraman survived everything, so you're just scared of the dark.
Well, you better get used to it.
And then you just see some guy flying. A semi truck coming at you.
Why not?
We all die.
Who thought this would have happened?
Hold on. Oh.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Like a substitute teacher.
If all the lights go out and you guys start screaming, I'm gonna smack the fuck out of each and every one of you.
I swear. I swear.
Who farted?
It's actually, no, it's actually bad as fuck.
Oh my gosh, he's sprinting outside.
What?
Mr. Murs just sprinted outside. He just took off. Why?
Dude, it's safer to be in the gym. It's safer to be in the gym.
I know.
Surrounded by a ton of fucking
No, you know where we need to. You know where we need to go?
I'm using
It's the locker room.
Oh.
That's what I
The
said.
locker room bathroom is solid.
No, it's closer to. Oh shit.
Hey. B. C, D, E, F, G.
We still have power. Like,
E. E. Give me an E.
Daniel, get over here.
well, I'm dying. Shut up! Exactly.
Pray. Bro, calm your tits, dude.
The only thing we can do is pray. I'm trying to be comfy right now. All three of us, we gotta pray.
Oh.
Pray.
Did you pray that day?
Father, please save us on this day. Amen.
Another one.
Z.
My grandma has hardly been a tornado. I don't want to be in my crawl space.
Oh, I have basement. My bedroom's in the
X. X.
I'd be fine dying with you, Ben. The scoreboard lights up.
This $1,000 is not worth dying for. This is gonna be archived on YouTube in a couple of years.
Yeah, I'm finna upload this. As soon as like a window breaks, I'm gonna just like upload it in a part, and I'm gonna keep the rest.
Hey, Mr. Murs, they've been talking about.
Can they get someone who actually knows what they're doing?
Yeah. What the fuck?
Did you hear James? He said they've been wanting to remodel the school so we don't have to worry about the demolition fees. Nah, Nathaniel Graham did not just say, we'll go at 4:30.
Nah. Tornado, how long is that for?
Legit tripping.
Tornadoes only last like 7 minutes.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see them out in the country like all the time.
But I'm not driving in this.
It's all good.
Yeah, I could have walked home. I told you. I told you I was gonna walk home.
Why did you go out there?
I had to get a guy.
Yeah, I'll still walk home.
No.
I really want to go.